Fluorite fully supports themes since version 9.8 of Fluorite. Everything can be customized, labeled, white labeled, and if when you look at this particular login screen, there are various text, images. All this can be fully customized, including when you white label the product to something else. You can instead of saying Fluorite, you can also give your own branding. You can change the background over here, change all these text here. And let me show you an example from one of our government customers and what their environment looks like. So in this particular customer, which is Government of Finland, Luke, you can see they have fully customized this particular login screen. Instead of calling it Fluorite, they call it Processori. And they also have customized logins because their users come from various different sources. They have a couple of different SAML authentication sources. So these are logins coming through SAML authentication, where the users are actually authenticated from their from an external site and then authorized to automatically log into Fluorite. Once you, as you can see on the screen, you can change pretty much everything, but we also have the copyright that will say Fluorite. That is the only place that you will see Fluorite. And then you will also see the version number this particular environment is running. So if we go back to Fluorite, let me go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, if you go into administration, and then if you go into UI theme, you'll be able to, first let's go to branding. Here you can actually change the application name. So instead of Fluorite, I can give a different name. I can also give a page title here, or I can also restore the branding. And this is one of the first pieces of white labeling, where you can provide your own name for Fluorite. The next is logos. There are a couple of different logos that we use in different parts of the application. One of them is the main login logo. We also have the login background image, and then the application logo. These can be customized. You can upload your own logos. Then also you can manage colors. Our UI is divided into many different color schemes, and you can pick the different colors based on what you want. And you can set the color scheme and save that as part of the theme. And then you can also set up a font. You can select from an existing font as your default font. Otherwise, you can also upload a font file and use that particular font. We also have, once you have done all this, you can also save that as a theme. You can see currently I have the black theme or the gray theme running here. I can also go and load a system theme or a custom theme. So let's go ahead and load one of the system themes. So let's say we want to load the black theme. And if I say load that, you will see everything will turn into black. And let's go ahead and select a different theme. Let's do the red theme. As you can see, the whole UI now changes to red and white lettering. And let's go ahead and change to a different one. Or we can actually go back and say restore default theme. And this will bring back our default theme, which has a gray background and a light gray, bluish background as the background of the page. And you can also export themes, import themes, and all this can be done with a simple click and configuration. So you can use your themes to make here Fluorite look like similar to your color palette. We have various governmental customers that use their color scheme so that when their users log into Fluorite, it looks similar to one of their internal websites or applications. And also our OEM customers also like this feature because now they can actually include their color scheme, they can include their logo, their branding, and ship Fluorite embedded into their product as a OEM product. So hope this explains how to rebrand or brand, using UI themes within Fluorite. And thank you for watching this video.